Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to use Bot Solana. So to get started with the guide, the first thing to do is to open the bot on Telegram, then tap on start to activate the bot. Then once that is done, then the bot will generate a 12 words private key for you. Save the key securely. It's essential for wallet recovery. Then avoid storing it on Telegram or your device note. And also use the wallet commands to view your wallet address. Then transfer the Solana from your external wallet. For example, you can use it from Phantom or Solfair to this address. Then after that, you have to access the settings via the settings. Then recommend the configuration. For example, you can buy fee, which is 0.001 Solana, and sell fee is 0.001 Solana, which is a split between 5 to 10%. And the auto TP is enabled for faster transaction. You can also adjust these settings based on your trading strategy and a market condition. Then after that, you have to utilize your trading feature. So to utilize this, you have to use your sniper mode, which is automatically purchase newly launched token. Then the AFK mode, which is automate trading while you are away. Then the copy trade is a mirror successful trader strategies. You can also use the limit order, which set a predefined buy and sell price. So that's it. Find the video helpful, turn the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.